Here's our beautiful 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. It's the Autobiography. It's the V8 Supercharged. Best one you're gonna buy if you're gonna buy one. These things are fun. Got different off-road modes and luxury, off-road, and both. And they look good. Overall body looks really good. We'll get up close now for you. Try to point out any kind of imperfections. Hood looks good. Is anything major sticking out? Lower front bumper looks good. Still got plenty of tread left on the tires. Brakes look good. I just drove it around the block one time to get some of that stuff off the rotors from sitting whenever it just rained on us. Love this red interior with the black. It's probably one of my favorite things about this car. Keyless entry all around. Love that. Heated seats back here. Top's good. That's pretty cool. What is this, like a carrying case, front license plate? There's the mats. Tiny little spot right there. I can actually have that touched up if you'd like. No additional charge. Bolster still looks good. WeatherTech mats. Super nice. We'll open the hood for you here now. Sorry, it doesn't like to have the door open and car running. And we'll see if I can do this with one hand here. I know I got a lot of traffic, but it sounds very healthy and looks very clean under here. There she is. 2016 Land Rover Autobot.